Hello everyone. Welcome back on Bioliveway. Please subscribe our channel for more health-related videos. So let's start the video. Today we discuss 9 best foods for people having kidney problem. Living with kidney problems requires special attention to your diet. Choosing the right foods can help support kidney function and improve overall health. Number 1. Berries. Berries like blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage. Last one is very important. Number 2. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a versatile vegetable that is low in potassium and phosphorus. It can be a great substitute for high potassium foods like potatoes and sweet potatoes. Number 3. Fish. Fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and support heart health. Number 4. Egg whites. A high-quality, low-phosphorus source of protein. They can be a good alternative to whole eggs for those with kidney issues. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic adds flavor to dishes without adding extra sodium, making it a kidney-friendly seasoning option. It also contains beneficial compounds that may help protect against certain health issues. Number 6. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that is low in potassium and a good source of vitamins and fiber. Including cabbage in your diet can contribute to a balanced and kidney-friendly meal plan. Number 7. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a great source of vitamins A, C, and folic acid. Low in potassium, making them an excellent addition to a kidney-friendly diet. Number 8. Olive oil. Oil is a heart-healthy fat that can be used in cooking or as a salad dressing. It is a good alternative to other oils and butter, which may be higher in saturated fats and sodium. Number 9. Apples. Apples are a kidney-friendly fruit option due to their low potassium content. Also high in fiber, which can support digestive health. I think it's very useful to you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel. We will meet in next amazing video.